बैठना, जिन बच्चों का होता रहेगा उनके नाम के आगे टाइमर लिखते जाना। स्टॉप। Press 2020, press 4747, press 1717, press 5252. Answer is 210. Okay, right answer. Answer is 8556. Claps.
That's it. So we are going to get started with the distribution ceremony, and but before we do, we have a very special kid today between us. Her name is Nitya. She's a budding pianist, and she's going to play piano in front of all of us. So please welcome her. Where is Nitya? Nitya. Please give her a great round of applause, guys. Yeah. Go ahead, Nitya.
अगले जन्म की पता केड़ा पशु जानवर बन
हवे तू लौंग वे मैं लाची तेरे पीछे आ गवाची हवे तू लौंग वे मैं लाची तेरे पीछे आ गवाची तेरे इश्क ने मारी कुड़ी कांच दी कवारी तेरे इश्क ने मारी कुड़ी कांच दी कवारी मैं चंदे दे पहाड़ा मेरे
आगे कर देता हूँ।
मोटिवेट करते हैं, कभी भी लेट डाउन नहीं करते। और मैं यही चाहूँगी हर मामा को कि जितना हम लोग मेहनत करते हैं अपने बच्चे के लिए, उससे ज़्यादा मैम मेहनत करते हैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए। तो ऐसे टीचर्स बहुत कम मिलते हैं, बहुत ही कम मिलते हैं। बहुत होती वेरी फ्रैंक, बहुत ज़्यादा। मैम ने मुझे सिर्फ कल मॉर्निंग में एक ट्रिक बताई कि दिवांशी को आप ऐसे कराओ, बस मैं लग गई और मैम को मैंने फॉलो किया। आज मेरा बच्चा सेकंड आया है, रिजल्ट आपके सामने। अब कुछ नहीं करूँगी। थैंक यू सो मच मैम, थैंक यू, आई एम ग्लैड।
Ma'am is going to cry now.
Parents,
a chance like national level abacus for our children. So this is a very big day, I think. For me, so it's a very big day, and for my daughter also. She was very happy that Mama, I'm going to attend this like national level abacus, and Mama, surely I'll get the trophy. Surely I'll get the trophy. And I was discussing regularly with the ma'am, but before, parents said that ma'am is very much motivating and very much positive attitude. She has given no. If she is trying, then she will definitely win. So thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. She is very hardworking, seriously. Thank you, ma'am.
So hello everyone and good afternoon all. Basically I am coming from Rithima from Ghaziabad, which is near about 15 kilometers from here. Every day, every Sunday we came near about 10 o'clock and reach here 1 hour, and I will wait for my children at least 2 hours. Then I will do. So almost 5 hours I am spending to my kids for that tuition only, for that. When Rhythma was joined in February month, then she was taking tuition for online, which is also came from Tezdevan, which is Indore branch. So I contacted Mr. Manoj ji through NAT that I want to schedule here to Rhythma classes. Then he told me, sir, it is okay, but it is far. No issues, sir, I will manage that. And now the result is here. So this is all credit goes to ma'am, because I am not having any, frankly speaking, my wife is not spending any time for that abacus. She is very good in English and all those subjects, EVS, maths and all those, but is not teaching it abacus because she is not doing about that abacus. I am spending hardly 1 hour in a week or 2 hours in a week. So whatever did Rhythma, it is all from ma'am. 3 hours he spent here and 4 hours, 3 hours. So it is all credit goes to first ma'am and then goes to Rhythma. I will go only second one because ma'am is so working hard. So working hard is very important for any success, but it should be in good direction. If teacher is not good, whatever you 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours spend, this is not a matter. But if teacher is like that man, then it should be good. So my all credit goes to only ma'am. Thank you all.
Thank you sir, thank you very much.
आपको बोलना है? बोलो thank you
So first time when I joined this abacus class, I thought that this ma'am would not be good, but then I went to second class. She taught me so well, and I thought that she's the best ma'am.
So this kind of commitment we need. As the sir said that he always comes on Sunday. He comes here always and he sits here for 5 hours. So that's the kind of commitment that we need.